everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our recipe today is Royal Bibingka. This bibingka uses glutinous rice flour, which makes the texture sticky and dense, and that makes it a hearty, tasty, gluten-free dessert or snack. We're going to make two bibingka with two different toppings, one with cheese and one without. We're going to use a half cup of sugar, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk. Leave a little bit, about a 1/4 cup, we'll use for topping later. Then add in 2 eggs, and a half cup of butter. Give it a good stir until all the mixture blends together. It's time to incorporate our 400 grams of glutinous rice flour. Using a strainer, sift the flour to avoid forming lumps. Continue to sift and stir until all the flour is consumed. When all the flour is incorporated, you will see this consistency. I am using banana leaves as a liner. If you have none, don't worry about it, this is optional. You can just grease the pan with butter. Using banana leaves on a rice cake is good because you will have that burnt banana leaves aroma on your rice cake. It's time to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. While preheating the oven, put the banana leaves inside so that the leaves will become limp, and that makes easier to arrange the leaves on the pan. Cut the leaves on the sides of the pan so that it will not get burned. Let's move on to the next procedure. The preheated oven should be ready now. Pour the butter on the pan. Then bake it at 350 for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take out the rice cake from the oven. Spread the 1/4 cup of condensed milk that we set aside a while ago. If you want cheese on it, now is the time to put the 1 cup of grated cheese on top of it. Because I am making two bibingka, one of them has cheese topping and the other one has condensed milk only. Put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes or until the top of it gets golden brown. I hope you like and try this recipe. And if you try, please give me a comment down below and tell me how did it go. And if you're not yet a subscriber in my channel, please click the subscribe button below this video so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. Till next time, let's make cooking fun and enjoyable.